Eh? Yes, darling? Oh, Charlotte. Honestly. Wow. I know, that was the loudest bang of all, that one. Whoa. Oh my goodness, that's cool. Oh, what a beautiful sight. It's a good job I came in because it's not really now coming down heavy. Mega heavy. My God. It's unbelievable. Eh? Did you? I got some excellent video, Charlotte. Somebody's brave. Somebody's out in it.
We were out in it. We got a brolly from B&M's and we just went.
It's not recommended getting a brolly.
Whoa!
I know there is. Uh-huh.
And then I said, okay, do I have to go to the bus stop? And then when it stopped raining.
Right, everybody, if you're watching this, it's coming on about near on 1 o'clock or just 10 past 1. Whoa, 10 past 1. It's the 2nd of July 2015. And this, for those, yes, happy birthday, gorgeous. For those of you who weren't listening and probably didn't believe us, I said there was going to be 3 bouts of thunderstorms. And I said to you there was going to be a 3rd one, which is going to be in the middle of the night. Well, it wasn't too far wrong. It's actually in the night, in the near on the middle of the night kind of thing. And I have to say, I'm really amazed at Mother Nature. Oh my goodness me, what a spectacle tonight. I was outside, you know how I was when I did the last, I think it was the first recording, and I swore on camera, which I do apologise about that again. Can't apologise more, but I have to say that this is absolutely spectacular. There's been like a thunderbolt and also a lightning strike, basically within 5 or 10 seconds of each other, and you can see that one. And yes, I got my bravery back and I stood outside in the back on the path, not on the stairs, on the path, and then I stood at the front door and I got some excellent, hopefully excellent video, even though I seen like one lightning bolt which shot in 5 places, which was actually quite amazing, and I hope to God I got it on camera. Really cool. But this is a Phenom in Newcastle, by the way, in case you're watching this footage. This was recorded in Fenham, just down the road from Morrison's. And yes, my wife's just saying good night to my daughter there, who happens to be her birthday today. Oh my goodness me. I should be snug. Really, I should be snugged up in bed, really. But it's one of those rare occasions where you want to get some footage, and I have getting some excellent footage. Really, really cool. This is a little camera, little Samsung camera. I'm not too sure if it's 20 or something pixels, but it's been picking up some really cool videos. I can't take photos, unfortunately, because it's like looking for a needle in a haystack, trying to pinpoint where the lightning bolt's going to happen. So hopefully on the video, if I manage to pinpoint one really good lightning bolt, I'll try and save a photo image of that. Right, the way it's looking now, I'm not saying it's stopping. Sorry, I'm not saying it's like disappearing, because it's still out there, as you can see. Oh, there you go. It does remind you a little bit of War of the Worlds, doesn't it? I was talking to my wife earlier on. I said it reminds you a little bit of War of the Worlds. My wife says, "Oh yeah, I was just waiting for the ship to come through the clouds." Yeah, but yeah, there was a yeah. What are you laughing at, young lady? Because Mummy's as mad as Daddy. Right, guys, I think I'm going to call it a night now, because it's getting a little bit late. Oh, there's Mother Nature. She's telling me I haven't finished yet. She's not very happy, is she, Mother Nature, tonight? Or this afternoon. What was that? A granddaughter.
I don't care, just get to bed.
Oh well. Well, guys, I'm going to bid you good night. What's left of the night. It's actually morning now, but still, my pillow is calling me. Pillow. So, Mother Nature, keep it coming. Unfortunately, a camera only has so much. Oh, that was a nice one. Thank you very much, Mother Nature, for that one. I only have so much power on this camera, which means, unfortunately, I can only save so much. And it's telling me now that my battery is starting to go. So I'll say good night, au revoir, toodle pip, ad wiedersehen, and all that stuff. And there you go now. I hope there's no damage and nobody's being hurt. And thank you to Mother Nature for such a fantastic display of energy. Good night.